When you open the hot tub, unclip at the front. Sometimes there's a little key that you have to turn. Sometimes people also forget to unclip the back. Otherwise the straps at the back can get ripped off. So unclip the back. Then go to the front of your hot tub. Pop the cover over. When you're getting in the tub, the easiest way is then to get into the hot tub. Stand in the middle of the hot tub, grasp the cover from the middle, lever it back, and just stop it going all the way back hard. Don't just throw it back, that will end up breaking it. Then enjoy your hot tub. When you get out of the hot tub, it's just the reverse procedure. The easiest way is when you're in the hot tub, just stand up, grasp the cover from the middle, pull it towards yourself, get out of the hot tub, then do the final close, clips on, and when you put the clips on, it's well worth making sure that just the skirt of the cover is down, protecting the acrylic. Clip it at the front and clip it at the back as well.